Stand, everyone, children. Everyone stand. Aarti, stand. We'll do prayer. We should respect prayer, right? Stand. Don't touch your phone.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Everyone,
Good morning, ma'am.
do prayer. See, still few of your friends are sitting and watching the phone screen.
Good morning, ma'am. 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 God, help us to do the as we should.
Can you hear voice, children? Can you hear? Show thumb.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
Ma'am, I cannot hear you, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Everyone sit now. Sit. We'll do meditation. Sit in a position. Sit in position. Slowly close your eyes. Clasp your fingers. Slowly close your eyes. Clasp your fingers. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Rub your hands. Touch on your eyes. Slowly open. Yes, dear children, in last class, I taught you a new lesson, the wooden bowl. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember the story? You want me to tell once again the story? You want to repeat me, children? Show the thumb. Okay, once again I will tell you. Okay, from the characters to till the end of the chapter, I will teach you once again, and then I will teach you question and answers and grammar part of this chapter. Don't touch the phone, children. If you keep on touching the phone or phone screen, some scratches will be there. So only please don't touch your phone. Sit straight, fold your hands. That's it. That is enough. Don't do mute, unmute, and all these things. Okay. Do you remember these characters, children? Do you remember? There are 4 characters in the chapter The Wooden Bowl. Who are those 4 characters? The old man, Kurt. You can tell with me, children, without unmuting from your side, you can answer. Okay, I can observe your lip movement so that I understand that you remember those points. Okay, children? I will be observing each and every of you from here. Don't think that man can't see me. Okay. There are 4 characters in the chapter, The Wooden Bowl. Who are those? They are the old man, Kurt, and his son, Manfred, and Tekla. Who is Tekla? Tekla is the wife of Manfred. And she is also a daughter-in-law of old man. Who is Willem? Willem is the son of Manfred and Tekla. Suma, keep phone one side. Keep phone one side and sit. Willem is the son of Manfred and Tekla. And he is the grandson of old man Kurt. What we can learn from this story, children? This story teaches us a lesson of life. Means we should always respect our parents. We should respect our grandparents. We should care for them and we should love them, right? We have to love our parents and grandparents. We should respect them. Because the way how we treat them today, in the same way, our children will also treat us in future days. So only we should respect our parents and grandparents. See children, this is a story about small family living in a small town in Germany. Where they live? They live in a small town in Germany. They are living together in a small old house. There is also one workshop which is beside to their house. The old man doing a carpentry work to lead a good life. They live a good life by doing a carpentry work. Kurt is a good carpenter who is doing a good work in that town. Which town? That is a small town in Germany. Manfred, he is also a carpenter. He learned the carpentry work from old man. The old man teach everything of carpentry work to his son Manfred. So he also learned the carpentry work and they are doing the carpentry work in their workshop. The boy Wilhelm, he also very interested to do a carpentry work, as should he also sitting with his father Manfred to learn the carpentry work, and he learned how to handle the saw, chisel and hammer, and he learned a few things of doing a design by using wood. Grandfather, he is becoming older and older every day. Grandfather, who is grandfather? Kurt, the old man. He is getting older and older every day. He was not very strong. See, we can see that our grandparents sometimes they can't see clearly because their eyes will be dim. Isn't it or not? Sometimes their hands also shook. Their head will also shook. They nod off their head. But in this chapter, the old man hands shook, his eyes were dim, and his hands shook. Sometimes when he sat on a chair, he nodded off to sleep, and he always used to sleep on a chair. One day evening, when they all sat on to have a dinner on the table, all the time the Manfred and Thekla, they used to get angry because this old man used to make fall down or to drop down the spoon or plate, glass, everything. So because of this, Manfred and Thekla, they get angry to have a dinner with old man. One day it happens and Manfred and Thekla, they cleaned the food which has been spread on the floor. They got angry on this old man because he was slow and clumsy. What is clumsy, children? Means dirty, untidy. Is it or not? He dropped a spoon and split soup on his shirt and trousers also. During that evening meal, the old man dropped his plate on the floor. It smashed into 100 tiny pieces. The plate has broken into 100 tiny pieces and the food fell all over the place. Thekla and Manfred, they began to clean up the floor. After that accident, they bought him a cheap wooden bowl to have a dinner. To whom they gave? They gave the wooden bowl to old man. They made old man to sit by himself in the corner of the room. Where the old man sitting now to have a dinner? He is sitting at corner of a room. Here he should eat by using his wooden bowl. Because of this, the old man felt very sad and complained. Complaint means he feeling unhappy. Why he felt unhappy? Because Manfred and Thekla, they made him to sit in a corner of the room to have a food. So he felt sad. After a few days, Thekla and Manfred finished work of a day and they were getting evening meals also prepared. When the meals were ready, they called her son Willem. They called his son Willem. They looked him in his room, but he was not there. They got tensed and they searched outside of the room and they looked out on the street. But there also is not present. Then they saw a light on their workshop. When they went to look and stepped into the shop, they found their son. Now where is Willem? Willem is found in their workshop. He is sitting on a stool and doing some car by using wooden. And these parents, they saw their son and they asked, "Oh, my son, what are you doing here?" Immediately, Wilhelm, he stand up and he looked up their parents and he is telling that, "Dear parents, I am preparing a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are old." See what he said. As and when you become old, you needed a wooden bowl. So I am preparing now itself. He told like that. Immediately, the parents looked at each other. Manfred and Tekla, they looked each other and their eyes filled with tears. Then Tekla softly said to her son, and they hugged their son Willem, and three of them, they went back to the house. After this, Tekla and Manfred always asked the old grandfather to sit with them at the table to have a dinner. What they did? They called the old man to sit together with them to have a dinner. So only we should not neglect our parents or grandparents. We should care them. We should love our parents and grandparents. We should listen their sentences, what they tell. Understood, children? Yes, it is a very good story which teaches about their life. Okay. In this chapter, there are few question and answers. Okay. Don't touch phone, children. Fold your hands and sit straight. I will teach you the question answers. Varsha, what you doing there? I told to not to touch phone. Can you see, children? Can you see the sentences, question answers? Want me to do the font size large? Is it required now? Is it clear, children? You can see? Yes. First question, where did the family live? Where did the family live, children? The family lived in the small town in Germany. Where the family live? The family live in a small town in Germany. Yes. You have to repeat with me. First time I will tell, second time you should repeat with me the answer. Second question, who lived with his son and daughter-in-law? Who lived with son and daughter-in-law? Who is son? Son is Manfred. Who is daughter-in-law? Daughter-in-law is Tekla. The old man, Kurt, lived with his son and daughter-in-law. Who lived with his son and daughter-in-law? The old man lived with his son and daughter-in-law. Aarti, repeat with me. Repeat the answer. The old man Kurt lived with his son and daughter-in-law. Is it or not, children? What is son name? Son name is Manfred. What is daughter-in-law name? Tekla. What is daughter-in-law? Daughter-in-law name? Tekla. Next, third question. What did Manfred do for a living? Tell the answer. What Manfred do for a living? He is doing a carpentry work. The Manfred doing a carpentry work for a living. Understood, children? If you didn't understand means, you should show me thumb down or you should send a message in Dropbox, chat box. Okay. Fourth question. Come to fourth question, children. Who was Tekla? Who was Tekla? Tekla was Manfred's wife. And she is mother of Willem. Right, children? Tekla is mother of Willem. And she is also a daughter-in-law of Kurt. Seeing this answer, we can learn about the relationship between Tekla, Willem, and Kurt. Yes, Mahendra Reddy, you having any doubt? No. Why are you showing thumb? You didn't understand?
No, ma'am.
What you didn't understand here?
First question.
First question. Okay, I will teach you once again. Where did the family live? Where they live in the story? They live in a small town in Germany. This is first question. See here. Where did the family live? It is very simple question. Where did the family live? Where they live? This family live in a small town in Germany. What is doubting that? What you didn't understand, Mahendra? Turn on your video, Varsha, Harshita, Joshna. I can't see you here. Aarti, you have a doubt? Unmute from your side now. Yes, answer. What? I can't hear you. Speak louder. Your voice is not clear, ma. Yes, Hetanshi, for you also. You should be fast, ma.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second question, ma'am.
I will teach you. Who lived with his son? Here, his means Kurt, the old man. Who lived
Okay,
with one minute. Who lived with his son and daughter-in-law? Who lived with son and daughter-in-law? The old man Kurt. The old Curtis lived with his son and daughter-in-law. Understood now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute from your side. Shall I go to fifth question? Shall I go to fifth question, children? Show the thumb. Okay. Fifth question is, who sometimes broke a glass? Who broke a glass? Who broke glass? The old man. The old man Kurt sometimes broke a glass. Whose hands used to shake? Whose hands used to shake in the story? Kurt, the old man Kurt. Hands used to shake. Why his hands used to shake? Because he is getting older and older every day. So his hands used to shake. Come to 7th question, children. Who was making a wooden ball? In the story, who made wooden ball? A small child. What is his name? Willem. Willem was making a wooden bowl. Repeat with me. Willem was making a wooden bowl. Sumant, open your mouth and tell. Next 8th question. How did Tekla and Manfred treat the old man? Yes, Varsha. Unmute from your side.
Ma'am, we should write. Ma'am.
Tell you at the last you have to write or not. First listen what I am teaching. If you have any
Ma'am.
raise your hand and you must ask. If
Ma'am,
you
I
have,
have 4 points, ma'am, doubt.
yes, Varsha.
Ma'am. 4th one. Ma'am, I can't hear your voice, ma'am.
Maybe there is some network issue near your house, I think. Who was? 4th question is who was Tekla? In the story, who was Tekla? Varsha, who was Tekla?
Manfred's husband, Manfred's wife, old man Kurt's daughter-in-law, and Willem's mother.
Yes, very easy, right? Okay. Next, come to 8th question, children. You can see, right? You can see 8th question, right? How did Tekla and Manfred treat the old man? How they treat children? In the story at starting, how Manfred and Tekla treat the old man? They treat like getting angry with the old man. Tekla and Manfred, they used to get angry with the old man. And they punished him by making to sit in a corner of the room and eat from wooden bowl. 9th question. Whose eyes filled with tears? Whose eyes filled with tears? Tekla and Manfred eyes filled with tears. They came to workshop, is it or not? They came to workshop to see their son. During that time, they got their eyes filled with tears. They realized how unkind they had been the old man. They realized they're feeling bad that how we treated the old man. It is wrong. They felt by themselves and their eyes filled with tears. 10th question. Does the story teach us any lesson? What does it teach? Teaches us to treat older people kindly. Is it or not, children? We learned this from a story, The Wooden Ball. It teaches us to treat older people kindly. Means we should be kind to our parents and grandparents. Yes, this is second main question, children. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. They looked in his room, but he was not there. So what the question will be? Where could that boy be? That is the question. Okay. Come read first question. Who looked in the room? Who lived in the room? Willem parents. Willem parents looked in the room. Harshita Kaya, Charish, Joshna, on your video. Why you made of? On your video and sit. Are you eating there? During class hours, you should not do all these things. After the class only you have to do. Or before class commences, you complete your all personal work. Who looked in the room? Willem parents. Who are the Willem parents? Manfred and Tekla. They looked in the room. Who asked the question? While entering in the room, who asked a question to Willem? Tekla asked the question. What she asked children? Oh, my dear son, you are here. What are you doing here? Like that, Tekla asked his son Willem. Third question. Who were they looking for and why? Who were they looking in the story? The parents, Manfred and Tekla, they were looking for their son Willem. Repeat with me. They were looking for Wilhelm. They wanted him to come and eat his evening meal. They are calling his son to have a meal. Fourth question. Who was the missing person found? Sorry, where was the missing person found? Where they found their son? They found their son in workshop. They found their son in workshop. Understood, children? Next, we'll go to match the following. See, from the A part, in the evenings. In the evenings, what they do, children? In the evenings, they sat down to dinner. In the evenings, they sat down to dinner. That is first one. Next, second one. They bought him. They bought him. What they bought in the story to the old man? They bought a cheap wooden bowl. They bought a cheap wooden bowl. That is second one. Third one, they all lived. Where they all lived? They lived in a little old house. They lived in a little old house. The son earned. What the son earned? The son earned a good living. The son means here Manfred. Manfred earned a good living by doing a carpentry work. Fifth one, the old man. How the old man feel? The old man didn't complain. Means he is feeling unhappy. Complain means unhappy. The little boy. What the little boy is making in workshop? The little boy was making a wooden bowl. That is sixth one. Next, find the words in the story for the following. See children, observe carefully. Here we have to write a one word for the sentence. The sentence says, person who makes things out of wood. Who can be called? Who will make the things out of wood? What the name is called for that person? Carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes things out of wood. Second one, to cut wood or stone into shapes. What this can be called? We learned in hard words with meanings, right? That is carve. To cut wood or stone into shapes. That is called as carve. Third one, one's father's father or mother's father. What they can be called? They can be called as grandfather, father's father or mother's father. They can be called as grandfather. Here we have to write only in one word answer. Fourth one, a room where someone does a job like carpentry. What that room called? In the story we learned, right? What that room called? Where the carpentry work can be done. That room can be called as workshop. That is workshop. Fifth one, Made of wood. Here made of wood means we can answer like furniture. Made of wood is furniture. Here simply I am telling you about bowl. That is wooden bowl the son Wilhelm had done. Sixth one, one's son's wife. What the son's wife can be called? Daughter-in-law. Cherish, what you doing there? Are you listening or not? One's wife can be called as son's wife. What the son's wife is called as? Daughter-in-law. In this chapter, what the daughter-in-law name? Cherish, answer. Unmute from your side. Cherish, what daughter-in-law name in this chapter? Unmute from your side.
Ma'am,
What is daughter-in-law name in the story?
Tilak, ma'am.
Tekla.
Tekla.
Tekla is daughter-in-law name. Niharika, unmute from your side. Niharika, where the family live? Where the family?
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
Tanmay, unmute from your side. Where the family live?
In a small town in Germany.
Tamogna, unmute from your side. Tanmay, mute by yourself. Tamogna,
Ma'am,
is old man name? What is old man name in the story? You didn't listen story. While I'm teaching. What is the old man name? Aarti, unmute from your side. What is old man name? Unmute from your side and tell ma.
Kurt.
Kurt, very good. The old man name is Kurt. Amisha, unmute from your side.
Ma'am,
William and Tekla's son name. What is son name?
William. Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ask ma'am. Soon. Be fast.
Ma'am, what is this, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. What is?
Stairs, ma'am.